Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome back in the video. In this video we are going to switch on the next type, that is problems based on the functions. So let us start with the first type. Problem number 1. If f of x is equal to sin x, show that f of 3x is equal to 3 times f of x minus 4 times f of x cube. So let us start with the LHS. We have f of x is equal to sin x. In the LHS part, we have f of 3x. So we know that now to find f of 3x, we'll substitute x is equal to 3x in the given function f of x. So function is sin. Instead of x, we'll write 3x and try to solve this part. So what is sin 3x? We have sin 3x formula. Sin 3x can be written as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Similarly, we have the formula for cos 3x also. It can be written as 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So you can expect the same numerical in terms of cos x also. And for that, you can use the second formula. So these are the two formulas for sin 3x and cos 3x. So let us start with the sin 3x. So sin 3x we can write it as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is the LHS part which we have solved. We can take it as first part. Now we'll consider RHS. So RHS is 3 f of x minus 4 f cube x. Now this is 3f of x minus 4f cube x can be written as 4 f of x the whole cube. As we say, sine square theta and sine theta the whole square both are same. Similarly, f cube x and f of x the whole cube are same. So 3 f of x. What is f of x? F of x is sin x minus 4 f of x the whole cube. F of x we have sin x and it is whole cube. Further on solving, we'll get 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin x the whole cube is nothing but sin cube x. So that can be taken as equation number 2. Again you can see from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we have got both the sides same. So LHS is equal to RHS and it is proved. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.